Okay, there's this old man and old lady.
Katie, you don't know this.
I do too.
Let me tell.
Okay, you tell it.
Okay. There's an old lady and an old man. And the old lady and the old man were sitting in the rocking chairs in the living room. And then a car goes by and it's all bouncing up and down, going back and forth on the road. There's two teenagers in it. And she goes, Then the next night,
I didn't hear this.
the next night they saw the same thing happen. And they were both thinking, The third night the thing happened again. And the grandpa goes, Granny, you reckon we could still do that? And he goes, I don't know, let's give it a try. You get upstairs and get ready, and I'll come up and I'll screw you. So then she goes upstairs, and then he comes up a little bit later and he finds her butt naked, sitting on her head, butt naked. And he goes, Granny, what are you doing? And she goes, well, I figured you couldn't get it up there anymore, so I figured you could just drop it right in.
What? What?
Come on, realize you too. You missed it, Amy.
Tape's rolling, guys.
Stick them under them and hope for the best. You probably only have one. There's 3 eggs. One of them probably only has. You're lucky to get one of them. But if you do, that's all you're going to get. That hen I got was laying. I've got about 6 of them in the incubator at home. Amy put them down here in the corner. Down here on this desk down here.
Right, there's always somebody there at night.
Yeah.
Communal nest, you know.
Yeah. You get you and Ray and Lee
Hey, Dad, give
together.
me those eggs and I'll put them in the shed.
These three.
Well, it won't do any good to put those in the other shed unless there's something out there sitting.
Oh, look.
Do the females have those feathers that go back like?
Now what sounds Steve stand for?
Hammer.
No, it's
That
not.
black guy that danced like this.
It's the
Oh, wait.
Baggy pants.
Wait a minute.
Got baggy pants like this.
It's
Let me
mixed.
see. How does he dance?
Mixture chick.
Like this.
Mix.